regardless of who they are. The ANC supports the transport on the or economic regulation bill, transport amendment bill 10, bill 10 2025. We are confident that the bill will allow effective, transparent passenger and
we were all making fun of him. Well, let me not say we. I wasn't really, but how people were making fun of him, I was like, wow, how far have we came into this new colonization? The first colonization was to force us out of our languages and adopt English and Afrikaans. And indeed, we did that. And then it made us feel, for those who can articulate themselves better in English, those who can read better are the smart blacks. They are the clever ones. They are, they are different from other black people. And we adopted that nature. So we study in English, we do business in English, we do podcasting in English, because English is a language spoken by the broader population of Africa and everything. So English is our language now. We have adopted it. We have butchered this English. We have done things that we want with this English. And when it comes to politicians, especially members in parliament, we need to hold them to a certain level of at least, let me say, education. Even people that did not finish school that are in parliament still read better than this young man. But hey, I can't find it in myself to turn it into a joke. It's a concern. It's not a joke, because if we laugh at each other and point at each other, who reads better, who speaks better, who whatever, the colonization has completely worked in us. Think about it. But it's man that we belittle we lower ourselves to a level where we are saying, look how he's reading. And again, I understand it's in parliament. You need to read properly. He was mumbling, to be honest with you. But Africans, I don't know. You guys will tell me on the comment section. That is my contribution. How far we are with this thing of one Africa, one language, one Africa, one land, one Africa, one currency, one Africa, one president. How far are we from all of this? Excuse me. How far are we from all of those things? Are they going to happen or not? I don't know. Is Africa going to ever speak Kiswahili, the whole African country? Do you think that is possible? Do you think that